Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nadia from Meet the Parents. Today I have another story for you, so stay blessed, stay safe, and stay tuned.
In the cool, cool hills of Manchester, far, far from everywhere, lies the St. George's Anglican Church with lots of ghost stories. You must beware. This church was abandoned by its members because the Duppies raised havoc in there. They had to run for their lives as the Duppies threw stones at them to get out of there. This so called Duppy church looks very creepy indeed, with lots of creepy looking old graves dated back to the 19th centuries. This so called Duppy church got its name because of the activities which took place there. Example, the young lady which took a taxi which was on its way to Mile Gully. But when the taxi driver passed the church, the young lady disappeared. People hardly walked there in the days after it was abandoned, much less to pass at nights. The greatest fear for taxi drivers who use the area is for their vehicles to break down there at night. The taxi men feared to stop anywhere there at nights. They even speed up when passing there. People say sometimes at night they can hear the loud sounds of organ playing in the old abandoned Duppy church.